We are at Hilltop Children's Centre and my name is David. I have been building Lego. I did an adventure trail and I'm eating an ice cream.
This is absolutely great, really. Something locally that is being done. Fantastic range of things going on here. Book reading and making, creations, craft. There's so many things going on. It's amazing. I remember going to the library when I was about 11 to get some books. To be told that the books weren't on the shelf and I had to order them. So amazing, really. I think the libraries in Gloucestershire are absolutely brilliant.
So I've brought with me my mum and my little boy, and he enjoys coming up here every Friday. It's brilliant. His personality has come out a lot more than I thought it would have done. So amazing. They're so welcoming.
It's great because actually there's lots to do across the age ranges. So my 2-year-old and 4-year-olds have both enjoyed playing with the messy play bits. They've done some colouring. 4-year-old's made a book and a bat with stickers and drawing. And my 2-year-old's made a bat as well. So they're covered in stickers and absolutely loved it. We're going to have a listen to the story time next. And then I'm going to sign up to the library.